In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Dropbox folder with Notion. We'll use the simplest approach, pasting a Dropbox link directly into Notion so it shows a clean, clickable preview. This is perfect when you want quick access to files or folders without re-uploading anything. And the preview will always point to the latest version stored in Dropbox. First, grab a shareable link from Dropbox. Open Dropbox in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the folder or file you want to connect. Use the share option to copy a link. If you plan to share your Notion page with others, make sure the link's permissions allow the right people to view it. Otherwise, they might see a permission error when they click through. You can link either a folder or a single file. A folder link is great when you want one entry point to everything, while a file link is best for a specific document you reference often. Next, paste that link into your Notion page. Click where you want the preview to appear and paste the URL. Notion will detect it and display a small menu. Choose the option called Paste as Preview. This creates a tidy card that shows the Dropbox name and icon, and clicking it opens the content in Dropbox. You can drag the block to position it, add context above or below it, and if needed, place multiple previews on the same page to organize related resources. If you only see a plain link at first, give it a moment. If the preview still doesn't appear, double check that it's a share link from Dropbox and not a local file path. Also confirm the link hasn't expired or been restricted, since limited permissions can prevent Notion from creating a proper preview. If this is your first time connecting Dropbox to Notion, you may be asked to authorize the integration. Follow the on-screen prompts, sign into Dropbox if needed, and grant permission for Notion to access your Dropbox content. You typically do this once, and then Notion remembers the connection for future previews. After authorization, the preview refreshes automatically. Keep in mind that access in Notion respects the underlying Dropbox permissions, so only people who have permission to view the linked content will be able to open it. And that's it. Copy a share link from Dropbox, paste it into Notion, select Paste as Preview, and authorize if prompted. It's a fast, reliable way to keep your Notion pages connected to the files and folders you rely on every day.